Hello, welcome back. How are you? Hope you are fine and enjoying well. And in this video, we will explore a website that is very useful and we can color our black pictures easily. So this website is going to be very interesting for you. So firstly, I will open my Google browser. Here I will select my account. So here you can see I will search about AI color, AI picture color rise. So here the options will be available for different websites, but you have to choose the first one, that is colorize pictures website, and this is the interface of AI picture colorizer. And here you can see that they are showing you that you can turn black and white photos to color in seconds and reimagine the past by coloring pictures of ancestors and historical figures. So it's very interesting website. You can change the color of change the picture black color into color. So let's explore it how we can do it. So here we will upload any picture. For example, I have a picture, and here this is the picture nature. So here what I can do more things is that I can change the size, and then I can also use the colorization factor, for example 12, 15, anyone that you want. And after selecting the picture, you will just click on colorize and the picture will be colorized. So here you can see there is very beautiful image of the picture that I was taken from Google of a nature picture, and this is changed into a beautiful picture that is showing greenery and the sky color also. This is perfect, I think, and this is very interesting website to store the pictures of past. So here you can easily download this picture to use for future. So you can use all tools also. There are design tools and for Apple, Android, and there is Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. There are different social media links also. So it's very easy to use website, and that can change your past into the right moments. That if you have a black and white picture and you want to color it, this is the perfect website and very useful website for this purpose. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.